Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am excited to do a Nadine West unboxing today. And I haven't done a Nadine West in a while. Somehow I think they lost my bag when it came back and they weren't sure what I kept, and then eventually they found it. I don't know. So regardless, I finally have one of these again and I'm excited to dig in here. I feel like I am more open to the Nadine West style of things, which is kind of a simple, comfy, at-home type clothing. And so this will hit a little bit different today. All right, I have 3 bundles here, and let's just kind of dive into the first one here. Now, I will say, so the benefits of Nadine West, it is slightly more affordable clothing, though I feel like they've been getting more expensive. And I do like that they send some jewelry as well, and again, usually a little bit more affordable. The downside is they just really like dark colors for some reason. So, you know, whatever season it is, you're getting some dark colors. All right, so this is by Zanana Premium. It is a large, oversized dolmani short sleeve blouse. I mean, I like it. It feels like good quality. But this is not my style. I'm not an oversized thing, and if I were to do that, it would be more of a casual thing than a blouse. So, not really my thing, but okay. Then we have a pair of dress pants by Elite. They're just some black dress pants. I think they're kind of more of your legging type dress pants, which never really works out well for me, though it does have this cute detail here on the waistband. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. So, okay. And then we've got this. This is a pattern. This is a pattern, and you're going to be some weird pants. I can tell you right now that's what this is going to be. Okay, so this is by, well, frankly, I don't know who it's by. I don't see a tag. So, here we go. These are some crazy, colorful, patterned, wide leg pants. So, okay, there's that. Oh, this is by Leggings Depot. So, again, not my thing. Okay, so this first bundle, not really my favorite. Hopefully, it will get a little bit better here. Okay, well, I like the looks of this. We've got kind of this eyelet. Ooh, I like this a lot, actually. Okay, this eyelet tank. It's got a little button down, kind of a peplum-y baby doll look to it. So, if it fits, hopefully it'll fit well. You know, this only works to me if overall, like, the bodice is snug. Otherwise, you just, like, huge. And I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon Prime unboxing, but there was this checker top that was supposed to be peplum-y, and it was just huge on me. Okay, so next up, we have this green top, and this is just a simple crew neck, or maybe that's, I think that's crew neck. And a crop top, somewhat crop. Oh, it's got a twist in the front. So, okay, I like this. I think this will be a good summer at-home type shirt. Then we got some gym shorts by Leggings Depot. And there you go. It's got pockets. It's a gym shorty. So, okay. All right, well, that one was a little bit better. Finally, we're to the last bundle here. And we've got this orange, like, tunic type top. Hopefully this is not supposed to be a dress because it would be very, very short. So we're going to call it a tunic top with this tie front. Okay, that's actually pretty. I don't have anything in this color. So we'll see what that is like on. And then we have this gray sleeveless tunic top with these buttons down here. I've gotten a shirt like that from them before with the buttons down, and this one's actually sleeveless. So, okay, interested in that. And then we have some more pants. These are more like jegging type pants, and they do have real pockets in it, though it is a pull-on waist. So I'm very intrigued to see if these fit. I do like a good jegging. It's like a dark navy. So I like that piece quite a bit. And then jewelry. Okay, pull out the jewelry so we can do this efficiently. So we've got this necklace here with this gold pendant. I actually like this a bit, though I'd like it on a longer necklace, but the good news is I could totally take this pendant off and put it on a longer necklace. So I'm really excited about that. Then we have this longer necklace there with kind of like a white marble look to it. I like it. And then we have leaf earrings, which I had a pair of large leaf earrings and one of them disappeared, like one of the leaves, and I was really disappointed because I really like some good old-fashioned leaf earrings. So really excited about these. I think these will probably end up staying with me. So all right, so we have some good pieces, some less good pieces, and I'm excited to try it all on. So let's do it. Okay, I feel like we're starting out strong with these first two pieces. I like this top. I think it is cute. It's different. It's got this, it's actually more feminine than I usually like, with kind of this big old ruffle that kind of goes down, but it fits really well. I like the color because it's something I don't really have. So, and I've got the tie, I tied the tie in the back. I'm not quite sure where I'm supposed to tie this, so I'll probably look online to see the picture, but I think it's cute. And then the jegging, I feel like it fits great. It's a high rise. It actually goes right up to the top of my belly button. It's high rise, little bit of looseness in the waist, but not much, not bad. And just a decent fit the whole way down. I do have one single roll at the bottom, but I don't know, I think they're cute. So I'm happy with these two pieces. I think these will both probably end up being keepers, again, depending on price, but let's keep going. Next up, we have this big old tunic top. It's a sleeveless one. It's got this button detail on the side. I think it's cute. I do like a tunic top nowadays with some leggings. So maybe, again, if this is cheap enough, I think I would keep. I don't think I'd spend more than probably like $15 on it because I'm just kind of on it. But I think it serves a purpose and I think it's cute. So, okay, next outfit. Next up, I have the gigantic top on me. Again, I think it's meant to be oversized, but I'm just, especially when it comes to a blouse, I'm not really into a gigantic blouse such as this. So, yeah, not a huge fan. Then I have on the dress pants that are more like leggings. Again, I've probably said this a million times with my Nadine West, but I really don't wear dress pants that are like leggings because I'm not allowed to wear leggings to work. Not that I'm going to work right now, but if I were, I wouldn't be able to wear these. So they are not keeper. So neither of these pieces are really my thing, but here you go. You can see what they look like. Next outfit. Okay, well, these are both big fat no's. So the top, I get what they're trying to do, but this eyelet type material that you have here, that does not go well, in my opinion, with this shape of a top because it's a stiffer type material and it just kind of sticks out instead of kind of being like a fun, loose, flowy. It just kind of like this. My shirt's like this. So just not a fan. I'm disappointed because I really like what's going on up here. It's just what's going on here that's not my favorite. And then these pants, they're self-explanatory. This is not my thing. Way too long, way too crazy, though super comfortable. Okay, so, well, the shorts are very comfortable, very, very comfortable, and I can see them wearing on walks, but I just think they're too short for my taste. I just feel like I want to reach back and make sure nothing's hanging out. So, too short for my taste, and I almost wish the legs were a little bit wider too, because it just kind of, it's a little tighter here and then a little looser here, and it's just kind of an awkward fit on me. So, but super soft, super comfortable. The top I actually really like. It's a crop, but it's not too crop. I like the twist front. The downside being it's clearly got some rayon in it, so it is wrinkly, but you know, it's the type of top I'd probably throw it in the dryer to de-wrinkle it before I wore it, and just let it get wrinkly throughout the day. But I think it's cute, and I think this is probably going to end up staying because it's very comfy and simple, and I like it. Okay, let's do this. Let's start at the top. This is the Lingle top. They just give stuff random names. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, the name means nothing. But it is $29.49. Now, when I give you the prices, just know when I say I'm going to keep something, is that I am lucky enough to be a VIP member, so I pay half price. So just in case you think I'm paying too much for something, be aware. Okay, so this is $29.40, but the prices I'm giving you are full price. $29.49. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think it's cute. It's very different. It fits great. I like the color of it. It's a different color than I have, so I think I'm gonna keep that. Then we have the Brietta top. It is $24.49. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I just wasn't that excited about it. It's super long, which is okay, but I just not into that long of tunics. Then we have the Elia, and this is $25.99, and I did not like that. I don't like a blouse being that oversized. Then we had the Veneta. This is $24.49. Bottom half of it was just, I didn't like the way it lay, so not gonna keep that. I am still wearing the Christine top. It is $24.49, and I am going to keep this. I think it's super comfortable. I think it's cute, and hopefully just throwing it in the dryer will keep it a little bit less wrinkly than it is right now. So then the Cali board shorts, these are $24.49. It was just a little bit too short for my taste. Not gonna keep that. Then we have the Paige leggings. These are $33.49, and because they're dress leggings, I just don't really have a use for those. Then we have the Kyrie skinny, and this is $30.49, and I think I'm gonna keep them. They serve well as a jegging, and they fit well, so I'm gonna keep those. And then we have the Arena bottom, and this is $20.99, and this is not my thing, so I'm not gonna keep that. And then jewelry. I didn't show you guys jewelry because I always forget in the try on. So here are the earrings. Love these. I'm gonna keep these. These are the BEA, and these are $18.99. So keeping that. Necklace. I actually like this a lot more than I thought. Again, I could put this on a longer chain if I wanted. This is just on the regular short chain. And this is $14.99. And then last up, I guess I'll just throw this on over. I like it. I don't know how much I'd reach for it. The pendants are just kind of okay. I just wish maybe they were like a solid gold type pendant than what we have here. So it's okay. But oh, and this is $17.99. So there you go. I got a couple of keepers from this bag. So while most of you will probably say not a great bag, I'm happy as long as I get a piece that I want to keep. My closet's only so big, so it's not like I want to keep everything in these bags. And I found some pieces that I like that are unique. So it's a success for me. What did you guys think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you do want to try this service for yourself, I do have a referral link below that will get you $10 off your first box, and you'll have free shipping as well. So, but the regular service, just FYI, there's no styling fee, but there is a shipping fee of $9.78 that does get applied to anything you purchase, and they send you a few things or a whole lot of things. There's really not a set rhyme or reason of what they send you. At least I'm not privy to it. So, okay, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you were not subscribed. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post. That means a lot to me. Okay, you guys are the best. I love you, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.